people say you shouldn't buy a car from Bradford. Well, I'm buying a car from Bradford. Let's see what the experience is like. Bro, this is nasty. Come to collect this bad boy, haven't we? The book says that the previous registration was stolen. Smack you up. Oh, no face, no case, yeah? Some service, this. Check him, look. Oh, it's cut out. Off to Bradford we go. Let's fucking go.
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. C-boot like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
So yo to everyone, today, so what we're gonna do is, yeah, we're gonna go to Bradford to get a new car. Now, everybody says that you shouldn't buy a new car from Bradford. Like, yo, but everybody also says you shouldn't buy a car from Brum. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna trade one of my daily runners for a new daily runner. But that's the daily runner there, look, Shack Specialist Cars have got it for sale. So yeah, let's have a look at their company then. Big up Shack Specialist Cars as well, because they're actually closed. If you look at the time, like, they're closing, but they're gonna open up just for me to come and get the car. So fair play to them for that. So yeah, look, from first effects, look at their website, looks the bollocks. So let's see it then. Look, they've got Raris and that. So that says a lot about a garage when they've got cars like this for sale. They're obviously only gonna buy decent cars. That's the car, look, nice white seats in it. Looks clean, to be fair, from first looks. Now, obviously, you know, looks and everything, the engine could be a fucking dud. So I'm on the way to Bradford to get a new car, people. And like, yo, everybody's always saying, oh, don't get a car from Bradford. But people say you shouldn't buy a car from Brum neither. So, you know, let's see what it's saying. I'm waiting for one of the lads now to come drive me up there. We're going to film the whole thing and see how we get on with it, yeah? So, like, share and subscribe, champs. Off to Bradford we go. Let's fucking go. Yes, bro. It's me, Dave.
Dave, how are you?
What you saying, man? I'm on the way anyway, yeah. My ETA is... I'll be there for like 8:30.
No problem, I'm waiting for you. Not a problem at all.
Lovely, you're a legend, bro. And the car's all good, yeah? Everything's fine with it, yeah?
Car's ready, it's in the showroom, it's ready to drive straight out. I was going to go home, but there's no point because by the time I get home, I'm going to have to just turn around and come back, so I'll just wait for you. Not a problem at all.
Oh, you're a legend, man. Thank you, and sorry for putting you out, man.
No, don't worry, don't worry.
All right then, bro. Well, I'll see you soon then, yeah?
No problem, see you soon.
Nice one, mate. Try. So, yo, YouTube has got very strict, and that's why I haven't been uploading. I don't know if you have noticed, but YouTube have just locked it down, yeah? So all my mad, crazy DRIVADAVE shit, it'll be in Telegram now. The link to the Telegram is down below. So if you want to join that Telegram, everything that's going to be happening, like longer videos will be going in there, more, you know, more dangerous stuff, as YouTube call it. I don't call it dangerous, but yeah. More shit will be going in the Telegram anyway. YouTube are not allowing us to do that much. So if you want to see some madness, jump in the Telegram, you know what to do. So yeah, right there. This type ain't got a card for the toll. There you go, mate. Tight bastard. Look at him. Anyway, yeah, so we're heading up to Shack's right now. We got Mooshin and the Mooshi. We got Big Ohms in the back. Yes, we got Heffy as well. You get me? This car is a multinational car, so as you know, if you're a yam yam, that is a culture. Now, Sam is a gravy sandwich eating yam yam. I'm a Brummie, white geezer. We've got a mixture of all cultures here in the back. We've got Pakistan, Irish, a bit Cuban, Jamaican, you get me? We've got this Irish fella here in the back, you get me? Now, as you know, Irish, he does things, everything he does is backwards, so he walks backwards instead of forwards. He counts money down instead of up. What else do you do? He wanks with his left hand. Anyway, we're on the way to Shack's. Our sat nav says we've got 109 miles. Like, yo, this is the first vlog that we've done going to buy a car, and we've chose to buy a car from Bradford. Bradistan, people call it, yeah. Now, a lot of people say you shouldn't buy a car from Bradford. Well, I'm buying a car from Bradford. Let's see what the experience is like. We've got Big Sam here, thinks he can rev it.
Look at him holding the side.
What are you holding that? Look, a little copper, look. Smack you up on the camera now. So yo, I thought I'd talk you through a bit of the car as well. We're getting rid of an S4 diesel. This is just my motorway car to get up and down, because as you know, everything I got's over a 3 litre petrol. and I just don't see the point in putting the mileage and the fuel in. And yeah, so S4 diesel, it's a black edition, it's got every extra, it's got all the lighting pack, pan roof. There's not really much really that these come with. Good car, to be fair, isn't it, Sam? What do you reckon of the car, Sam? Scrap. Well, what would you prefer? Fucking Transit with a horse towing it down the road? And like, yo, I don't know what you lot are doing at fucking 7 o'clock on the night on a Saturday night. I'm not going out partying to blow my cash. I'm going to invest it into another car that's probably not going to be worth the money I paid when I come to sell it. But yeah, that's just part of my life. Who's drinking Coca-Cola original taste then, boys?
That's mine, mate.
What, is that yours? Yo, we just stopped off at the garage.
For about 39 miles, continue straight.
Didn't know. Just wanted a pack of Watsits. Look, that's what I got. My mate Mushan has got a sore leg. He keeps breathing chicken walkers in my face. Bro, I swear I'm gonna lever you. We've still got about 40 minutes left. I got the biggest pack of Watsits ever, but you know me. Health is wealth and all. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Stay tuned, we'll be there soon. It's been a long journey. So yo, we're 7 minutes out, people. 7 fucking minutes. So yeah, we're 7 minutes out. We're gonna pull up at Shacks now. Johnny from Donny's meeting us here as well. You know, we can't cross the border and not come and see Johnny, you get me? So we're gonna fly up now. He's gonna meet us at Shacks. And we're gonna see what fucking Bradford's got in store for us tonight in our new fucking motor. So yo, this is my GLE 63S Garage 19 edition, 800 ponies, slap your nan's face off. Look at it, it's a fucking dream. So yo, if you want one of these, all you've got to do is join our free community. The link is in my bio right now and get fucking grafting. Like yo, Switzy is the go. I've made bread this week and in the group it shows you exactly how I've done it. Right, so yo everyone, we're just pulling up now at Shack Specialist Car Sales. This is the gaff, Bradford, look. Bradford, bro. Check the motors in the window. These are some smooth. Look at this joint. Yeah, pull up. So we've landed. Yes, the Cleggy boy. Yes, the boys. What, you in here buying, son? Yes, the John. What's happening? One bomb, the smooth cunt, little latte in there. Little latte. Come to collect this bad boy, haven't we? Clegg, jump in it then. Hot wire it.
Stop the steering, man.
Hot wire it, Clegg. Got some fucking nice motors in here, ain't they? Bro, look at this fucking gaff. Oh, you know this is my favourite Jeep, Clegg? Them Ferraris, my favourite Jeep, you know, look at them.
Let's get one extras.
Nasty, bruv.
Blacking.
Nasty motor that is. Got a lovely tour in there, 80 bags. Look at that though. Got some nice motors in here, look at this Lambo. Yes, bro, what you saying? Oh, shit. Main man, what's happening? Yes, lads. What's happening, man?
Yeah,
you right?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, no face, no case, yeah? You've got some serious cars in here, innit, lads?
Yeah.
First time I've been down here, man. Porsches are nice. You just set it out sick in here as well, innit? Yeah, proper nice place you got here. This is fucking lit. Petrol head heaven in here, innit, John?
Look at all the go downstairs.
What, there's more? Fuck about. Nah, this is a serious gaff. Man just got a downstairs section with all the tools, look.
355 Spider.
Now these are taking the fucking piss.
Vanquish. Look. Black Series. CLK.
That Porsche is nasty, John.
Factory, look at this.
That is a minter.
993.
That is a minter, look.
Wheel is still under Porsche warranty.
This
listen,
Jesus.
selling it.
Proper
Oh, Sam,
salesman.
Get me paid. Get me paid, man.
Get me.
I'm gonna have to tell Jack.
Get Johnny on the books, man. Tell Shaq.
230 or so.
Now, oh, this place is fucking sick.
Left up Black Series.
Bro, this is nasty.
Listen, all the petty heads will know on there who's the real petty heads when you can walk around all these.
Bro, look at it. Look at Johnny, look, he'll buy every car in here now though. That's what man don't know. I just want to smell her. Yeah, she got that old school C63 smell. You know that smell,
Look at the
John?
seats. Fucking factory seats. Factory buckets. Pole positions on.
Now this is a fucking nasty motor. You've got some serious motors in here, innit? Man's got James Bond just cranked over there, look.
This is all Jack's personal selection, innit?
Is this his personal ones here?
Better you for Cam.
Yeah, you see Cam on that with an open face? Look at the purple. Now this is a sick place, you know.
Heavyweight division upstairs, mate.
This is a fucking heavy gaff. Now this place is serious. I can't believe that this place is in Bradford. Nasty. Look at the carbon. You know the carbon on the centres and that? It's fucking sick, you know.
Most expensive car up here.
Most expensive up here now? Yeah. Oh.
Which one? See if you're a proper pet head. Come on, you should know these things.
Now you're putting me on the spot still. I'd say probably... No, it wouldn't be the Senna. I think the Senna would be the second most expensive.
I'm going to give you one clue. Competizione is now doing about 900 a mil.
But you're telling me there's a car in here that's... Where's it hiding then?
Come on. Come on.
You seen it yet, Bill?
Yeah, Special Aperta.
It's this.
£1 million.
I'm looking around. And I can just see this one and I can see that this is one that you don't want to part with because it ain't got a price on. So it must be this one. You get me? I'm not even going to sit here and go and look and know about supercars because, yo, as you know, I'm new to the game. My GT3 RS is really my first major stepping stone with these cars. But so yeah, just like that, business completed. Big up Shaq Specialist Car Sales as well. Patterned us. Respect, lads. Thank you. Some service, this. Check him, look. This car's fucking mint. So, yo, this is the car then. She's alright, man. She's clean, ain't she? Fresh out of the paint shop in Bradford. Look, battery low, typical.
Well, it was an Audi Q3 last week.
Yeah, see. The book says that the previous registration was stolen.
Red paddles, you know.
Red paddles, are they an extra?
Has yours got red paddles?
Take them off,
He's
please.
missed them.
Oh, what, you didn't get that extra with yours, Teg, nah?
Right, listen. Your cup holder's got carbon fibres in them. Look.
Carson fibres. Hey, Carson fibres. Stick on Carson fibre.
Get on there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, she's got the step.
She'll do. I don't need to even look at her, to be fair. I don't give a shit. You know what I mean? If it breaks on the way home, I'll be sending it on a truck. Yeah, do your thing, go drive it, whatever, bro. Yeah, no, that's sweet, that is. I just want comfort, I'll be honest. I don't even care about the car.
Mate, you know, for the money, these are like the
best car you can buy for the money. Literally. Oh, sorry, one more. Oh, it's cut out. Can't beat the sound of an SVR as well, can ya? Raw petty. So we're coming out of Bradford, look, there's brassies just lurking about, look. Yo, look, how much? She said too much for me. So what you saying then, we've successfully copped the motor from Bradford then? We're gonna go for a bit of food with the lads now. Get me, we're just active in Clegg's local. Check it, I'm a proper tourist in Bradford, you know. Anyway, what you reckon, John? Proper tourism, look, takeaway Boston is the new Curry King. We mean business. Amir Khan's even been here, look, giving it loads. You know what I mean? Tony Blair, look. Get me, the old firm, mate. Tell him again.
Tax just wrong.
What's he saying, Sam?
I just heard you're a very famous YouTuber. Now the party is on and kebab can be famous.
He's very suspicious, him, Sam. Thank you.
Pictures afterwards.
No.
Next to Tony Blair.
I'm going next to Tony Blair. Mama made it.
Big celebrity.
Disco.
Boys, you have never seen nothing like this in all of this planet. I'm the one who started this. Going back 15 years ago. Would you believe it? Now this is getting copied everywhere in the country. Now this tava. 38 restaurants have copied Cabana. From a small town. And I'm honored.
You're saying they're not the real cabana? They're not the real cabana?
The real tava.
Yeah, man.
What does the real deal look like? This is.
Show us the real deal then. Can I get one of them chips, lads? Starving, is he going to take the lid off? Yo, he beat me to it. Yeah, son, don't worry, son. Look at that, teamwork makes the dream work.
They call this a tava, it's very hot, okay?
Disco.
Disco, baby. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to John. Lovely service in here. Lovely food by the looks of it as well. Boss, tell them, where are we?
At Cabana, the one and only, since 1983.
Where are we located?
Huddersfield.
Where exactly, tell
I
them?
want everybody who follows you, follow me, want to come to Cabana and experience the Indian cuisine. Thank you so much.
The best service about, thank you, man. Lovely food, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Legend. Yo, this lad, his dad owns that curry house here, just that. Look at his motor, look. Nasty this is. Check the spec, look. Nasty. Check him. Check him, John. I'm revving it at cold. Nice car, very nice. Very nice. It's the old big cabana anyway. Hit them up if you're over here and you want to get a scran. And thank you to Shaq Specialist Cars as well. Nice car he sold us and he bought us food. You get me? Big up Shaq. And yeah, like, share and subscribe. Tell him, Clegg.
What are you saying? Sam's mum's hungry. He's taking the food home.
Mother's hungry, mate.
You know what I mean?
Eski's hungry, lad.
hungry.
Feed him. That's what you're saying. Just about to leave, Johnny, look. He's seen this guy on the petty station. He's fucking copped his car, innit? He's just got to drop the nipper off, look. Get me? Give it a rev. Give it a rev, John. Look at it. Blue neons as well. Serious bank job, mobile.
I can't do it like DRIVADAVE. C-boot like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.